So we understand that kind of conceptually, but there's very much a real world kind of physical, biological aspect to this as well, which is that subconscious mind is organised by neurotransmitters. Neurotransmitters are communication tools basically within our brain, and we affect those by how much sleep we get, the exercise that we do, how well hydrated we are, the quality of the food that we eat, the amount of caffeine and booze and prescribed or recreational drugs we're sticking into our system. They all impact upon that subconscious communication. So kind of behavioural change, any form of change, I see as we need to tackle from the bottom up, our biology. So kind of back to the previous, we tackle it here from the bottom up and also from the top down with our mindset. Now, our brains are plastic, so they're constantly restructuring, which is both a huge advantage and a massive disadvantage at the same time. They're constantly restructuring and making it more efficient to go from point A to point B, from stimulus to response. But if it's an emotion you don't want to have when somebody says something about you, or it's a fear, or it's a thought that you don't want to have when you're in a certain situation, or it's a behaviour you don't want to repeat, if you've done that lots of times in the past, your brain's made it really efficient for you to do that. So winding that back is a difficult thing. It's possible. However, because our brains are plastic and because we can rewire. So we'll get on to kind of change and talking about how to create an outcome we want, we need to go beyond just kind of willing ourselves to change our behaviour.